Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to download Java from the internet and then install it in your Windows PC. So let me see if I have Java already, but I don't think I will be having it. But let me see. If I type Java, I don't see anything application installed inside my PC. So what I do is I go to the desktop and then open the Google Chrome. Once you double click that, it will open up for you. So here you type, don't type directly, you can go to google.com. It's better this way, so and then you type download Java. Okay, if you want to download the latest version, you have to type like download Java, and then directly it will take you to that page you're looking for. But instead of this, you can also do one more thing. You can also type java.com. You know what this means? This will directly take you to the Java web page. So like right here. So go back to this tab again. So you can click on this one. It says download Java for Windows, and then it will take you to the other page. But if you go for the home page here, it looks same as this one, so it's java.com. so I close one of this. Let's not confuse here. So you can open directly, like type java.com. I'll show you one more time here. So you can type java.com, or also you can type not Java, let's say www.java.com. and then once it took you to the home page, you see the home page of Java. This is how it looks like. So yes, and then you have to click on download Java here. Whatever you see, don't click any of this, just the green button, as you can see here, right? Green one. So you can click on this one, says download Java, and then it will take you to the version of your system you're using. That means this website is automatically detects it will automatically detect your operating system, and then it will give you the right file to download automatically. So you don't need to search for download Java for Mac, download Java for Solaris. So this will directly detect your operating system, and then it will take you to the right software. Okay, so from here this is a 64-bit version for Windows. So the current version I'm using Windows is 64-bit, but I'm not sure about 32. So most of the people use 64 bits. So yeah, and then the updated Java version is version 8, and then update 381. The file size is also mentioned here. It's 62.63 MB, and you can read all through this if you have time. But for now, I'll just ignore every small details here, and then I click on download Java here. You see, one more time, it's a green button. Click on this one, and then you see the pop-up. It went right here on the downloads. Okay, I click and open downloads, and then just ignore this one, but this one is downloading now. So once the download is finished, you can click on this one. It says Windows x64.exe directly, or you can go into the show in folder, and then this is the better way to install Java. So now you go to the show in folder. Once the folder pops up, open, and then you right click on this setup file, the one you downloaded just now from the java.com website. You right click on this one, and then so you click on run as administrator. So make sure you do this, and then you click on yes, and see what happens next. Okay, so it says welcome to Java, updated license terms. You can read all these things if you have time, but I'll ignore for now. And then if you want to change the destination folder for the installation also, you can check this one, but for now I will leave it as default. So I don't want to change anything here. So I just want to install Java in my Windows PC by default. So I go ahead and then say install, like click on install here. Yes, and then I'll minimize this Chrome, and then I'll minimize this one, so you will see just a Java screen installing this Java. So yes, so this is the installation is done. As you can see the message, you have successfully installed Java. Let's go ahead and then close this one for now, and then see which version are you using in this one. So let's say I go to the start, and then you type Java, and before I don't see any Java application results or anything. I only see web results, like web download from web or something like that, Edge or something. But now I see configure Java, check for updates for Java, and then about Java app, like application. So you click on this one, and then about Java, and then you click on open. You don't have to click on administrator or anything, but you can see here. I'll pull it on the dark place. So you can see here I downloaded the version 8 update 381, and you can see the build numbers and then copyright, Oracle, etc, etc. So I go ahead and close this now. This is the updated version of the Java. Okay, so I close all this, and then what if you want to download the Java which is below the version, like previous versions? Let's say I go to google.com. Yeah, for this you have to go to google.com, but if you want to updated version, you can directly type in the address bar, like here, java.com. but for now we're not doing that, so we downloading is the previous versions. So let's say download Java. I want to show you I can download a Java 6th version also with any update. Download Java 6. Okay, here you see download Java 6, and then you see the Java archive downloads from the Oracle website. It says www.oracle.com. So you click on this first link, the one it says Java archive downloads. Yeah, once you click on this, and then you will see this page, Java SE 6 downloads. So if you see on the right scroll bar, it's very small. That means it's so tiny, means that the page is very long. So what do we have in here? So here we have Java SE development kit 6 update 45. So what if you want update below 45? Let's say you want update below 43. Let's say update you want, let's say in the Java 6 version, you want to update 22, maybe 17, below numbers. So the specific number update whichever you require in your system is listed here. So let's say we are looking at Java development kit 6 and then update 45. Okay, so you scroll down, and then you will see update 45, and then you see 43. So and then you scroll down again, 43. You scroll down through halfway to the page. Okay, now we are at 22. Like I mentioned, like I said before, what if we need Java 6 version and then update 22? It's right here. So you can download for whichever the operating system you have here. So let's say these ones are for the, you see here is a Linux, and then everything is Linux, and then Solaris. So what you need to do is Windows 64. Okay, so this is the one, Java 6 and then update 22 Windows 64.exe. This is for Windows PC. So you click on it, and then you receive this small pop-up, and then I reviewed agreement, whatever it is they ask for, and then you check this box, and then you download it. Let me see if it's downloading. Okay, it's asking for login, but I don't have any login, but you can create an account if you want to, and then sign up for it. So basically, if you need previous versions of any Java software, like like 6, 5, update, 22, whichever you're looking for, once you click on download, it will take you to this page. So you need the Oracle account to download the particular file, which is the safest way I would recommend. Because if you download from other software websites like Softpedia or any other like say File Hippo or anything like that, but that's not a good option because they do so many pop-ups and they put so many ads, and then you will get confused with them. So this is a pretty straightforward process. So you just need to create an account. Like, you can click on create account and then you sign in here. Once you sign in, and then you can download from there. Just like, click on the green buttons. That's how simple it is. So this is how you download previous versions of Java, but for the current version it's pretty straightforward. Like, I downloaded here and then installed, and then I'll show you one more time. Let me see. Yeah, about Java. So here is version 8 and update 381. So that's how you install a Java in your PC, Windows PC, and also the Mac operating system, even the Linux. So this is pretty much you download and then install Java in your Windows PC. So yeah, if you have any questions or anything, I'll be much more happy to help you guys, and you can leave a comments on the down, so I can read them. Okay, that's all for this video, and thank you for watching.